Hey guys, let me show you how to enable watch only mode on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. So, let's get started. So, if you will turn on this watch only mode, you will get even more battery life because with this mode enabled, the watch can run for almost half a month without recharging, and it's pretty cool. So, let me show you where to find it. For this, let's open the list of applications simply by swiping up, and now choose Settings. Then scroll till you'll see this battery tab. Tap on it, and here scroll till see this watch only mode. So let's choose it, and as you can see, you need to press the home key, which is located right here on the upper right side of the watch. You need to press it to show the time, and press and hold or charge your watch to turn off this mode. So let's turn it on by tapping this option. Wait a couple of seconds till this mode will be enabled, and let's test it. I'm gonna press to show the time, and here it is. So let's exit this mode. For this, let's just press and hold this home key to exit this watch only mode. And that's it, the watch has been restarted and this mode now is disabled. So, now you know how to enable and disable watch only mode on your Galaxy Watch 7. And that's all. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.